going on, y'all? Oh, it's hot. Yo, what is good, man? What's good? Welcome back to the channel. You know what I'm saying? It's been a minute. Y'all probably trying to figure out what's going on, man. What's going on? Where Macc been at? Yeah, I've been down, man. I've been down. And when I say I've been down, the truck been down. So I'm finna update y'all. Get on this highway real quick. All right, y'all. What's good, man? Welcome back to the channel. Let me talk to you guys for a little bit and let y'all know what's going on and where we been at. As y'all can see, I got the truck here in the driveway. And last y'all saw, man, y'all saw me picking the truck up from the dealership. And the reason being is because she was down for about a little over a month, man. I've been just tucked away, zoned out, you know, doing some things in the office, which we'll talk about in a little bit. But the Maccatron has been down, like I said, probably for like a month now. And what happened was, prior to us doing the securement class, actually right after the securement class, I realized it, and I noticed that I had some oil residue on the transmission area of the truck right at the bottom. So what I ended up finding out is, after, you know, taking it back to where I do my oil changes at, is that I had a leak, and what they stated it was coming from, it was from the main rear seal. Took it into the shop, took it into RAM, and sure enough, it was the rear main seal that needed to be replaced. If y'all already know, man, you got to drop the transmission to actually replace that. We just did that, and we got it replaced. Honestly, man, I've just been doing things to myself, really haven't been putting out too much content on the tube. We coming back, man, we coming back. Just taking some time to myself. I had some personal things to handle. Y'all already know how that go. But anyhow, man, that's what's been going on with the truck. That's why we haven't been running. We haven't been running for, like I said, a little bit over a month. She's been actually kind of resting. So we got the rear main seal replaced and fixed, and then we also got some brand new tires all around the truck because it was about due. We're at about maybe close to 95,000 miles on the truck. So let me show y'all, you know, where I noticed the leak was at. All right, y'all see the tires, man. We went ahead and threw the same tires that came with the truck are on here. They're Hancocks. I got the DH35s, which are the drives for the rear, and I got stairs in the front, which are the AH35s. These tires did really good, man. So I just went ahead and got them. They were a little pricey. I think the total was about $2,300 for all six. All right, so now, like I said, right there where you see that bolt, man, that's where I noticed I had some residue. Now, it wasn't a bad leak where it was constantly leaking and I can see it on the floor. It wasn't that case. It only leaked when the engine was running and when I was driving, and I saw the residue. Let me see if I can get down here and show y'all. I don't know if anybody has experienced this before, man, but right here in this look on this bolt is where I noticed residue was building up. Like I said, man, we had to get that repaired. That was done a couple days ago is when I picked it up. Yeah, not sure how much of that y'all can see, man. She's good and ready to get back on the road, man. All right, y'all, so this is the office. Still a work in process, but the wifey has been fixing it up. That is her desk. This is my temporary desk. This is where I kind of been on and off over the past month, doing as much as I can to learn dispatching in back office, while this one over here remains busy. Y'all let me know if y'all can figure out what this looks like and where this is from. Well, yeah, y'all, this is my little station right here. Y'all caught me. All right, y'all, so y'all caught me, man. Y'all probably wondering where I've been. This is where I've been at. I've been in the office. But I've been in the office, just learning more so the back office. But I've been doing a few things, learning back office. I've been dispatching, helping the wife out with her carriers that she has, that she dispatches for. The reason I'm doing that is as a business, if something were to go wrong, you know, or something were to happen with the wife or whatever the case may be, I gotta be able to maybe pick up on a few things and still be able to operate and know the compliance, know the back office and things like that. So she's been teaching me a lot of that. Just like how she comes in the road with me and learns a lot about the, you know, the field, being out in the field, I'm also doing stuff here in the back office. I took advantage of that time.
Right, and having to do a recovery, that will be not good. So I'm thinking I'm gonna have him go to the dealership right now, have him run the computer. If you wanna keep him on the load, if you wanna take him off, I totally understand. I just wanna give you guys an update of what's happening. I just wanna give you an update. I was on hold for about 30 minutes with compliance, and they finally said that they're gonna update it, and they should be sending you an email soon.
Cool. All right, sounds good. Well, thank you for doing that.
Oh, no problem. Thank you for being patient and waiting.
So a few things that we're actually working on, guys. One, we're going to be hiring a dispatcher. And then two, soon we're going to be putting someone in this truck, in this setup, to completely be in this truck. I'll be out of the truck. That's something that we've been kind of low-key working on in the background, just to get me off of the road, man. I think I've had my time on the road. And I think I told you guys before, man, I didn't get into this to stay on the road full time for the next 10 years, 10 years, whatever it may be. Yes, we may get another truck later on down the line, but right now I'm not going to be on the road, not going to be on the truck. That's the plan. So that's not happening right this instant, but it's coming up pretty soon. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, man. So we got a few changes happening. Like I said, man, the truck has about 95,000 miles on there. And thankfully, the warranty took care of this problem completely. You know, we do have an extended warranty of 200,000 miles on this truck. It's a commercial warranty. We had to come out of the pocket, no deductible. So thankful and grateful for that. We're probably going to be getting out here and getting back on the road this week. More than likely. Today is, what's today? Today is Tuesday, the 6th of June. So either today or tomorrow we'll be picking up a load and hitting that road again. And I'm probably going to show y'all, man, it's been a while since we've been on the road doing some loads, let y'all know what it's looking like out there. All right, y'all, so we left the office, come put fuel in this truck. Got a load for tomorrow, so I had to get out the office and just get fueled up before tomorrow, because we got an early pick. It ain't too crazy early. We're picking up at 8 o'clock tomorrow, Houston to San Antonio. Something local, you know, get the truck broken in after the repairs. And I made a mistake, man. This actually has 90,797 miles on there. I don't know where I got 95,000 from, but yeah, quick little video, man, just to update y'all, let y'all know we coming back with it, man. I'm not coming back too heavy on YouTube yet. Y'all gotta check me out on Instagram, man. I'm a little bit more active on there, but I'll be coming back soon. We're gonna head back to the crib, get back in the office, finish the day in the office, and then go pick up this load tomorrow. It's a light load. It's got about 3 drops from Houston to San Antonio. From a guy we know out here. But yeah, y'all, that's been the update, man. We are out of here, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all as always for the support, man. I'm getting to these comments too. Y'all been in the comments heavy, man. So I'm gonna get back to y'all. Like the video, subscribe if you're new, and stay tuned for the next one. I'm out of here, y'all. Peace.